Imagine you're driving 60 miles an hour down a mountain pass. A sudden storm hits, you reach for your wiper switch, and nothing. For many owners of the 2016 Thor ACE 29.3, this wasn't just a bad dream, it was a documented federal safety recall. Today we're looking past the glossy floor plan based on the NHTSA filings and consistent owner-reported patterns. There are some specific concerns that we think every buyer needs to weigh before signing a check. We aren't here to determine liability, but the consistency in the data is worth noting. Stick around. We're going to give you a forensic audit so you can decide if the value price is worth the long-term maintenance. The ACE was designed as a hybrid to hit a specific value point. It sits on a Ford F-53 gas chassis, the backbone of the industry. Back in 2016, these landed around $110,000. Today, they're sitting in the mid-40s. While the manufacturer maintains that their units meet all safety and quality standards at the time of the build, a pattern appears to be emerging regarding the longevity of some interior components. For example, multiple reports suggest the heavy full wall slide can get out of sync. Now, to be fair, the manufacturer states that proper operating procedures, like holding the button down after the slide stops, are essential. But if you're buying used, you're inheriting the previous owner's habits. To us, seeing metal shavings on a slide track is a pattern indicator that a professional inspection is required. Let's look at the official record. NHTSA Recall 17V555 addresses an incorrectly installed windshield wiper system on this specific model. According to the filing, the wiper motor could become loose, which the NHTSA warns could lead to a total loss of visibility. While Thor's authorized service centers were tasked with the remedy, we still see units on the used market where this recall still remains open. You have to verify the VIN number. I mean, it's a 20-minute check that could save your life in a storm. Then there's the tail wag. Many owners allege that factory suspension feels unstable in crosswinds. While Ford maintains the chassis is safe as built, the volume of owners adding aftermarket track bars suggests the factory setup doesn't meet the comfort level of every driver. We think if the previous owner didn't upgrade it, you'll likely need to budget it in. Now the furniture. According to the multiple owner reports, the synthetic upholstery used in this era is prone to premature delamination. Basically, it starts flaking off. The company's general stance is that cosmetic wear depends on maintenance and climate, but the consistency of these reports raises questions about the material's longevity. And the roof? Reports suggest the front cap transition is a must-inspect zone. While the manufacturer recommends regular sealant maintenance every 6 months, a pattern of water intrusion appears in cases where that maintenance was even slightly neglected. It's a documented vulnerability that we think you can't afford to miss. Based on our exclusive grading and strictly subjective formula, we've assigned the 2016 Thor ACE 29.3 a watchdog score of 83, moderate risk. Here's the math memo. Okay, in category 1, they got a -10 for the wiper recall severity, which give them a total score of 90. In category 2, in the complaints department, we gave them a -20 for structural slide reports and -15 for cap leak patterns and a -2 for upholstery wear, for a total score of 63%. Category 3, accountability, a -10 for reported wait times on parts, which gives a total score in this category 90%. Category 4, the trend, -5 points. Multiple customers report similar issues spanning several years, which is a total of 95% in this category. This score is an opinion based on the weighted impact of the safety recall and the reported cost of improvements. It's not an official government rating, but it's a tool to help you negotiate. If you're still set on this rig, here's your justice payoff. Crawl under the back axle, and if not comfortable, always hire a certified RV inspector. If you don't see an aftermarket track bar, usually a thick blue or a red bar, the coach is allegedly going to feel more unstable on the highway. Use that information to negotiate $3,000 off the price. Check the VIN for that wiper recall and hire an NRVIA inspector specifically for that front cap seam. If those check out, you might have a solid coach. All sources and documentation used in this investigation are listed in the description below. This has been an RV Watchdog Pattern Report. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.